thunderstorm warning for central Seneca County, northwestern Cayuga County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canoga, or near Seneca Falls, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Seneca Falls, Fayette, Fleming, Union Springs, Aurora, Cayuga, Nevada, Venice Center, and Canoga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Buffalo